Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Gloria. Um, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, please do hit the subscription button and join the family. So right now, I'm just going to show you how to clean your electric glass kettle without scrubbing it. And then this is what you're going to need: 4 blocks of lemon, and then you're gonna need white vinegar. I'm going to use lemon and vinegar only. And then you're going to take your kettle, you're going to take your slices of lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice inside the kettle. Squeeze enough to have enough juice. Please make sure you have enough lemon juice. Squeeze enough. And now I'm going to take my white vinegar. There you go. I'm going to put half a bottle, because you can see it's just a small bottle. I bought a small bottle. I'm gonna put half a bottle of it, just to cover the mark at the bottom a little. I don't want to put too much. There you go. So you close the kettle, switch it on there, and leave it to boil. You will magically see how it cleans itself. It removes the stain by itself without you scrubbing it or anything. Can you tell that it's already cleaning itself? The glass is already clean. Look at that. Look at the glass. So I'm just gonna take that slices of lemon that I used, and put a little bit of vinegar, then rub it outside while the kettle is still hot. Clean the kettle with the lemon and a little bit of vinegar. Just like that. You can see the bottom is also clean. Look at that. Look at that. Clean. It's looking new again. Do I need to say more? I don't think so. I love it. I love it. There you go. There you go. Just took out the juice, and then I'm going to wash it right now. Just gonna wash it with water. Nothing, no scrubbing or anything. Clean. Good as new. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. My kettle is new. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.